Oh my, this is the Mini Cooper JCW, and we will be going on a POV drive today. It has been on the channel before, this car, but since then it's had some rather tasty upgrades, including these 2 forged wheels and Sport Contact 7 tyres, I'm pretty sure. So it's pretty tasty, especially with that stage 1 tune it has. And with that stage 1 tune, it is now producing 300 horsepower, which is quite a lot for such a small car. So I think it's time to get straight into it and go for a drive. Well, hello there.
Hey, yeah.
This is Michael, the owner of this lovely JCW, and he has let me drive it today. Thank you very much for letting me drive it once again. Yeah, I'm pretty excited, so let's get this baby on with the, I love these controls, very cool. Let's go, 3, 2, 1, cheeky start up. It's decent.
Yeah, it sounds alright.
It's decent.
Yeah.
This is an automatic, so out of park into drive. Manual handbrake down, indicator on. Let's go for a drive. There we go.
Went to grip and power.
There we go, we're away very easily with that 300 horsepower. Very nice. Driving position in this is very low down. It's very driver focused, and I very much like that. It's one of my favourite parts of this car, just how driver focused it is. Yeah, interesting interior, very circly. Of course, Mini, everything's a circle. But yeah, no, I like it. Chunky steering wheel, plasticky paddles, which is meh. But yeah, I'm liking it so far. Right, let's have some fun. Manual. God. I don't know this road. Bloody hell. It's such a big kick in the back. When you get on boost, this thing just rockets. Oh my God. Right, here we go. Oh my goodness. Oh my God. Wow. It just it like pivots itself around the corner. It's fantastic. Love it. Love it, mate. Right, one thing you definitely got to hear is the turbo noises that this thing makes. So I don't know if you'll be able to hear it, but it goes. So we'll try it now when we get on some straight bit. Yeah. Oh, I don't know if you can hear it though. I really hope you can. Try again. Come on, surely.
Hopefully they can.
I really hope you can hear that, because that is actually insane. Wow. Right, second gear trick when the straight line.
I don't know why it's so much faster when you do that.
Bike behind me. Oh my!
You right? What was that?
Did you not see? It was in the middle of the road. No, we literally nearly died just then.
I was looking in.
Were you not? Did you not see that? Oh my God! Was that recording?
Yeah.
Oh my God! No, we nearly just died.
Yeah, the biker looked around like, what the hell?
Holy shit! Oh my God! No, generally,
I didn't see that.
I am not joking. That was nearly your car gone.
Really? I didn't see that.
Oh my! Right. Bloody hell. Okay, I need to show you that. First off, second gear trick. Right, okay. Change down and then floor it. It gives you some...
yeah, go a bit lower speed, I think.
Lower speed?
Slightly lower.
Right.
A bit bumpy though.
Oh
my God, why does it do that?
It's ridiculous.
Why does it do that?
That is mental.
It's like a rolling boost.
Oh my God, right, here we go. Second gear.
Not as much that time.
Not as much that. I think because we were going lower speed last time.
Yeah, it's got to be right.
Oh, downhill. Right, here we go.
That is stupid.
Brakes. Oh my giddy on. That is mental.
The brakes are
They
really
are.
good.
Whoa.
I don't know how to describe
Which
them.
way?
I don't know.
Wow.
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 Whoa.
Just the grip. is
goodness.
insane. How fast are these people going?
25.
20, like 5. What? Why? You're ruining the video. Wow. Right, 3, 2, 1. Oh my God.
That pulled around.
Really pulls. It really pulls. It's got so much torque still, which makes it a little bit of a terrifying beast to drive. If you haven't noticed already, oh, Ferrari Roma, very nice. We do need fuel, so let's do a cheeky fill up. We'll do a cheeky price of the filling up a JCW. Of course, premium fuel. What else? What else? I look really red. Wow.
Yeah.
34 quid. He wants to get 34 quid out of me, you cheeky boy. Cheeky man. Back on the road.
Premium fuel.
Premium fuel. Oh.
That's the problem with remats,
Mate.
is you've got to think about the cost of, obviously a remat costs however much, but the cost of fuel now is going to be high because you've got to get the premium.
Yeah, of course. Yes, I shall let you go.
You know, it's a rare,
No,
it's
thank
a rare
you.
feature,
No,
though.
thank you. But
You
she
can
didn't
get
say
it-
thanks.
No, because we're in a Mini, so
Oh.
we're undercover, nobody notices us.
Oh, because we're so small.
Yes.
How will it do on the speed bumps then?
Huh.
Pretty good, pretty
Yeah,
good.
that was alright.
Pretty good, pretty good.
These new tyres have definitely rounded off the edges of all the bumps.
Yeah, a lot
Before
better.
it would have been very painful.
Yeah. Good brakes. Right, let's go.
Whoa.
God. God. Wow. And you're immediately up to the speed limit. God, that's actually mental. This car is extremely fast. God, just the torque is absolutely incredible. Yeah, sounds alright. God, so much grip.
I love second gear.
Mate,
It's so
mental.
responsive.
Whoa, my god. Oh, it's crazy. Do it again. If you get it right, it
Yeah. I don't know why it does that. They're going to really...
just. Yeah, a lot of people don't realise
It's the
on that.
worst roundabout, that, isn't it?
Yeah, it literally is. Go on, I'll let you go. Oh. Oh, okay.
Nice.
There we go. I think that's going to be the end of our POV review. I'll just stick it on the side here. Oh wait, no, I don't know where I'm going. Stick it
Nice
on.
and safe.
Nice, safe. Lovely. Well, that is the end of our POV review. It's been a fantastic time. Handbrake up.
Real handbrake.
Real
Not electric.
handbrake, I need to remember that. Anyway, I've had a fantastic time. It's been a great experience in this car. Thank you very much. Yeah, thank you.
It's all good.
Did you enjoy it?
Yeah, of course. It's my car. So.
Oh yeah. Anyway, thank you very much for watching this POV drive, this Corbin's cars. I haven't done in a while, so I hope you guys like it. Yeah, I'll see you in the next one. Adios.